Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, turn the Instant Pot off and set to cancel, then unplug or cut power if possible. Make sure the pressure indicator has not fully dropped. Some pressure may remain. Identify whether your model uses a steam release handle or an electric release button and position yourself so steam won't hit you. Use an oven mitt or a long utensil to move the valve. This keeps hands safe. Once you've taken these first steps, prepare to release steam slowly to avoid sputtering and hot splatter. Once done prepping, perform a controlled quick release. Place a cloth over the vent, then move the steam release handle slowly to venting and step back. Listen for a steady hiss that indicates consistent pressure decrease. If you prefer natural release, leave the lid closed and wait 10 to 30 minutes until the float valve drops. This prevents violent boilover. If the valve is reluctant, nudge it gently. Forcing it can damage the mechanism. Make sure to keep hands and face away until steam fully subsides. You're finishing. Confirm the float valve is fully down, then twist and open the lid away from you to avoid residual steam. If you encounter loud spurts or sputtering, close the valve, let pressure settle for a minute, then resume venting more slowly. This reduces splatter. If the valve is stuck, cool the lid edge with a damp towel or run cold water along the rim briefly to contract parts, then attempt venting again. Finally, always clean the valve and sealing ring to prevent future sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.